It's day 11 of the Outside Free Challenge. Got up 4 this morning, did the coffee, did the breakfast, dried all the gear out from all the rain, and spent a few hours hiking around, scouting the area, and came back, got everything squared away, and the rain started. The rain wasn't due to come in until like about 3 o'clock, but it instead decided to come in at about 12 o'clock. I could tell from the clouds that it was going to rain sooner than 3 o'clock. So I hurried up, set the tarp up. I tell you, the tarp has been so highly utilized throughout this whole challenge. Really, it's been more utilized than any piece of gear worth thinking about. So I'll show you what it's looking like out here. Yeah, it's wet. It's cold and it is wet. So I'm gonna have to put another jacket on, another layer on. Now, I think the next video I want to make over on Patreon are ways that I stay warm. Man, I have so many ideas for the how-to stuff. I'm not doing a lot of how-to stuff just for the general public, for general subscribers, because I want to focus with you guys more on the what, where, when, and save the how for the Patreon. Let me see. There's also, that's right, I wanted to talk about like what we call this. I think guerrilla camping is maybe the best title, but then again, not really the best title. Yeah, but that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of, like, I don't know, being in the jungle, in the mountain jungle, trying to hide from the federales or something. I'm sure this is people that like make drug labs out in the wilderness. I'm sure they're really pros at this sort of thing. But no. There's a big difference between what I'm doing, which is being very, environmentally conscious, leave no trace ethics, all of that good stuff that I learned from Jim Ratz from Knowles. Jim Ratz, one of my Knowles instructors who has passed away, he was the president, originator, whatever you call, of the Leave No Trace thing.org. So it's neat to, and honor to have had him as an instructor. I have a story about Jim Ratz and Knowles, but that's for another video. So yeah, day 11. How many days have you been out in the wilderness? How many days do you think I could last out here in the wilderness? Over on patreon.com/outsidefreak. That's where I have that how-to stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be posting. I already posted stuff this morning. I'll be posting probably more stuff. I don't know if I'll do it today, though. It looks like it's going to be a short day. I think the rain is essentially, that's it. I just had lunch, a little late lunch, and I think I'm going to start setting up the tent and get ready for that. But let me know what you guys want to see. And this is the Sierra Nevada mountains in April. Coming up on May. Yeah, May is coming up, a couple more days. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see more of here on the Outside Freak channel. And I'll see you on the next video.